and there is a cow. Great. Oh. See. कोई दिक्कत अंकल? कोई दिक्कत? नहीं, मैंने कहा कोई दिक्कत हो तो बताओ. Guys, let me give you a disclaimer first. This is not the bike that you will be using for top speed or 0 to 100 acceleration runs, but you have every right to know how quickly you can get off the lights. And yeah, so let me try. I am not switching the traction control off. Okay, you can see that it has rained and the roads are not perfectly dry, so I still have it in sport mode. Let me give it a try. And there is a cow. Great. Please cow, go, go, go. Is that a human or is that another cow? That's another cow. Human would not have listened. The cow did obey the instructions. Good. Oh. See, and you cannot expect me to have traction control on. Let me go to drier stretch, and with the hope see, and I'm running comparatively lower pressure because I weigh only right now. My weight is somewhere around 56 kgs. That was, done with the 0 to 100. I think I should give it one more try, right? go beyond 178. See, it hits the limiter and we are done with the top speed run. I have to tell you, this is the quickest top speed run that I've managed. See, I'll tell you once again, this is not the motorcycle for top speed runs. Of course, you know, it's limited, and it can go beyond, it can certainly go up to 190, 200, but you know, there is no point in you know, an ECU flash taking off the limiter and taking it to 200. If you want to do 200, get another bike, get a sports bike. Okay, you want a bagger, you want a V-twin American cruiser, you know, buy that bike to cruise, right? Like, depending upon your state and the, you know, limits over there, 100 kilometers per hour, 120, 140, whatever it is, this would cruise even at 160 if you wanted to, and that's what you buy this motorcycle for. Okay, or any of you know, the baggers. So guys, I hope you like the video and do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. कोई दिक्कत अंकल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं? मैंने कहा कोई दिक्कत हो तो बताओ। अच्छा, वो रस्सी बांध रहे हो? 50 लाख की है। नहीं, इतने में तो नहीं आ जाती है। हाँ, आपको कितने की लग रही है? हाँ, इतने की है। सब कुछ है अंकल, सब कुछ है। 5 लाख की है।